What up, niggas?
It's Chef Underscore Official. Welcome back to Food Reviews.
Today we are eating. What do we call this?
Green sauce.
Green sauce. I think it's applesauce. I don't know. This is ESP.
It's ESPN if you have Direct TV. Food hours. Shit.
Is it that bad?
It's sour applesauce.
Yo.
It's. Depends on my food. It's just sour applesauce.
Ew. I don't like that. What do you
That
rate
was
it?
It's good.
But like out of 10.
I'm gonna eat it again. Like one out. I'd really like an
8. Damn. Oh, looks like shit.
It looks like shit, but it tastes good.
Bye, bitches.
Right now, it's just me, Cindy, and Morgan at the